Hi guys! Today we're going to see how to use the announcements module available in our plugin YITH WooCommerce Multi Vendor Marketplace. With this feature, you're going to be able to display custom notices on your vendors' dashboards. Customers will not be able to see these notices, only the vendors you choose will. Before we get into it, let me remind you, of course, to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell down below so that you know every time we have a new video for you. Now, let's get to it. The announcements module allows the admin to create announcements that will be shown on the vendor's dashboards. It can be any type of announcement the admin wants to show to vendors. Let's see how to use it. First, after the plugin is installed and activated, you can go to YITH Multi Vendor, Modules, and you're going to look for the Vendors Announcement module and you're going to enable it. There. So once you enable that module, you're going to find this new subtab, Announcements. You're going to click here and you're going to find the dashboard for announcements with an Add Announcement button. We're going to click on it and we're going to create our first announcement. So a modal window appears with lots of options. The first thing we're going to do is enter a name for this announcement. I'm just going to name this announcement Welcome. This is just for me to identify the announcement. And then we have the content. Right here we have a text editor to create the content that the vendors are going to see. Okay, I'm going to set this content to show to vendors. Hello vendor, welcome to the marketplace. I'm going to make this bold. There. So once we have this set up, we're going to scroll down and we're going to find this option, who to show this announcement to. We have all vendors. We have vendors that match specific criteria, and the criteria can be to have not accepted the privacy policy, to being reported by users, to have achieved a specific amount in sales, vendors that are new to the site. You have several conditions to choose from. And then we have the option to show this to specific vendors. This is the option that I'm going to choose right now. I'm going to enter a vendor from my marketplace. There. So this announcement is only going to be shown to this vendor. And then we have the option to schedule the announcement. We can publish it right now and then remove it manually, or we can set a start and end date and time. We can click here and we're going to find a calendar where we can pick the date and change the time. I'm just going to publish it now and remove it manually. And then we have an option to allow vendors to dismiss the notice. What this does is basically add a cross like this one to the left corner of the announcement so that vendors can dismiss the notice. Let me show you that, okay? We're going to enable this and we're going to save this announcement. So as soon as you create it, you're going to find the announcement here. You're going to find all of the announcements you create here on this panel. This one is already enabled because I chose to have it published immediately and then end it manually. You can switch this to disable the announcement and switch it back on to enable the announcement. And you can of course edit the announcement, duplicate it, and you can of course delete it. So let's see what the vendors would see on their dashboards. So this is that specific vendor's dashboard, the Saturno's vendor dashboard. He is going to see the announcement right here. We have hello vendor, welcome to the marketplace. And we have this little cross so that vendors can dismiss the notice. The vendor will see the notice in specific sections of the dashboard, like for example in your shop, right here. And whenever the vendor wants to dismiss the notice, he can just click here. Okay guys, that's how you can use the announcements module in our plugin. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and we'll meet again for our next video.